We go to Albany, Oregon for a hearing. 30-year-old Christopher Jackson has been charged with trespassing, resisting arrest, and unlawful use of a weapon. 3 months earlier, county officials say Jackson was walking on a private road when a resident called the sheriff's office. After Jackson refused to show ID to a county deputy and walked away, things got physical. According to the sheriff's department, Jackson and the deputy rolled down a 25-foot embankment, and during the scuffle, Jackson reached into his pocket where a box cutter was later found. Jackson was taken into custody and officially charged. Today he appears in court with his attorney, Edward Talmadge, as well as his mother, Julia Stickney. The hearing hasn't started yet, but Jackson makes himself at home. When the only court staffer present at the time, a clerk seated off camera, asks Jackson to move his feet off the desk, Jackson responds by flipping her the double bird. And when his mother tries to intervene, Jackson shoves her by the neck. Talmadge tries to calm his client, but he's not having much luck either. Eventually, Jackson lowers his fingers and things appear to settle down. Until this happens. Jackson grabs a chair, but his mom stops him from doing anything with it. But he just grabs another one and charges at the clerk. Talmadge quickly comes to the clerk's aid as the group crashes under a desk, causing this clock to topple over. The clerk breaks free and motions to a deputy who's just entered the courtroom. A second deputy arrives just as Jackson's mother, who appears frustrated, takes a seat. The deputies assist Talmadge, who's pinned Jackson underneath the desk. One of the deputies removes his taser and points it in Jackson's direction. But as Talmadge steps away, it looks like the taser won't be necessary. When the deputies pull Jackson out from beneath the desk, they place him in cuffs and take him into custody. The court clerk and Jackson were both unharmed during the scuffle. But Talmadge, who no longer represents Jackson, suffered multiple scratches to his face and was bitten on his arm and hand. The deputies suffered bite marks. They were treated and released from a local hospital. Jackson was later charged with assault, menacing, and unlawful use of a weapon. He pled not guilty, but was convicted in court and sentenced to 6 years in prison. As for his original charges, they're pending. Thanks for being a fan of CourtCam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.